Hey, so just dropped my burger off at the doctor next door, and I saw these from the parking lot when I was going back inside. I decided to run over here real quick and take these units. Here are some Trane XR13s that I can't get to the data sheets on. So yeah. Oh crap! There's a big spider web, so I can't get back there. Barely see it. I don't know. Probably 2006. I guess I can get back here. Oh my god, I'm naked. From 2008. I ain't looking at the tonnage because I don't know. I don't know what this. It's not a doctor's office. I think it's some kind of a school, like a daycare. I don't know what it is. It's an LG Ductless inverter unit. Man, lots of spider webs. This thing's off. It's similar to that one that I found over at the Collin College in Frisco. And we were over there looking to see where my mom would take classes to get a real estate license. But more over here. Which are just Trane XRs, so I'll go get them. Yeah, Trane XR13s are pretty good. They get sun bleached easily, but they're good quality units. I don't want to get caught, which we probably will get caught. But real quickly, here are these two units. That one's big. Yeah, there's no security cameras. I don't know. Anyways, over and out.